Hi, Ethan. What you doing? Lily. Lily, come here, puppy.
That's me.
Yeah, Dad, it's still attached to his tooth. You're totally ranking on the... Okay, you do it. Roxy, stay. 1, 2.
I'm not ready. It's Roxy.
Okay, Roxy. Okay, go. Slam it. Slam it. Slam it. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 2.5. Close your eyes and slam it. Do you want Daddy to do it?
Just do it. No big thing, dude.
Yes!
High five, bud.